All right, what's up, gang? This week I'm doing my weekly grind for the growth game, and it's going to be on the stock market. I'm going to be doing a technical analysis on a stock, and to make it more interesting, I've done on plus 500 where you can have a demo version, you can buy the stock. Um, I had a better platform where I could use better analysis tools, but I think in the new year of uni, they've refreshed the accounts and I can't access it anymore. But that's all right. Yeah, with plus 500, you can use a demo version and buy the stock. So I'm just going to go into the stocks here and look at a random one and buy one, or not buy one, but look into it. And then look at the charts and make some assumptions of where I think it'll go based on the charts. And I'm going to look at the on a macro scale. I'm going to go 3-month chart. Can I look this in? No. What's that do? No. Okay. Well, anyway, we're going to take a look at Netflix because everyone knows what Netflix is, so that helps. And we're going to look at what the chart's telling us, and I'll just have a little bit of a discussion over where I think it's going based on the macro environment and based on what I know of Netflix and how they operate. So I've got to figure out how to use this on the fly too, so that's fun. Then we can draw some trend lines. So let's see, that's where we are now, which is really interesting. They had a massive drop there between the 18th and 19th. So that would have been over the weekend. I wonder why that is, because it was trending well. Oh, okay. I mean, yeah, sorry guys. I wish it would there we go, line. Bang. Undo. Does this work? Trend line there. Doesn't really give much. Oh my god, I'm really bad at this, hey. Oh, I'm not used to this platform at all, and now it's just expanding. I'm going to click through once and go back to that. I'd have to go to the news to see why that is, but you would say that's a Head and Shoulders, and it's broken way below. So the charts, and I'm going to throw out the 3-month chart to be honest, because that's really thrown off. But I guess we can do another one here and see whether it's bounced off, which is really interesting here, where that hit support. We'll call that support. Now this is where it's at today. So that'll be a really important line of support there. If it drops below, we're in a lot of trouble. Let's zoom out to a yearly chart. Oh, fuck. All right, there you go. Got a bit of a trend. So that trend line I've drawn, I'll have to use my, if there's an indicator here to there, but look where it follows. Hits there, touch below, hit there, hit there. So there is a trend. All right. On below. And what day was that? I wonder what news that was in January where it shot up again. And then it's news shot below. So I think it'll take time to consolidate. But I seriously think it'll just take a bit of time and come up to that trend line. So where are we now? Yeah. It's going to slowly make its way up. And bounce back off that trend line. Take some time. I'm thinking, what date's that? 22nd, in a month, might get back. How long is this period of time for? This is a very shit TA too. I'm really not well organized here, but I'm just trying to figure out how much of a time frame this whole period is. 25th of January to 18th of April. So let's say just under 4 months. How long is this period for? 25th January, 20th October, 3 months. So let's say in 3 months from here, I'll expect it to hit the trend line again. So May, June, July. Let's go to the 7th month. I don't think that long, to be honest, but let's say the trend line's right. July. Far out. That's a crazy trend. Can I zoom out at all? Yeah, keep zooming out. Yeah, pretty wild. Was it? Oh, can I zoom out more? Come on. All right. I'm just gonna come on. I can't zoom out anymore. Sorry, guys. I just look like an idiot who's just an idiot. Well, let's see. So 567 now. Top there 643. I think it's pretty fair to say that by July it'll be. I'm gonna go with 680, 666. That's interesting. I'm gonna look for $680 by July, which would be $56. And it's from there. That's a 20% gain in 3 months. Well, that's the way that trend line's going. That would tell me it's 380. Sorry, 380 way off. Sorry, 680. But it does look very volatile. Down, up, massive run up there. And I'll just discuss what is going on with Netflix. I feel like the big dump here was when they were talking about splitting accounts and you couldn't share it with like 4 people and trying to make it harder so they could increase their revenue. And like, wow, it really fell off here in October because they were trying to make more money. They weren't actually making enough profit. And that was because they had 4 people using one subscription. And they're like, how can we increase our profit margin rather than, make a quarter of what they could do? So I know that they changed the subscription method. I don't know what else there is. Let's just do that basic so this doesn't go for too long because I don't have big dog Zoom because, well, I don't want to pay for it. I don't really use it that often. So let's minimize that. Let's have a look here. Yahoo Finance. Let's have a look at that. Let's see what info we've got on Netflix. Let's see what news is. So 564 here, up 1%. Where are we going? So I'll just give some more info. Okay, beta 1.22. So the beta basically means if the stock market goes up by 1%, with a beta of 1, it just matches the market. Where if it's 1.22, if it goes up 1%, it'll go up by 1.22 or it'll go down by 1.22. So it's like comparative to the market. PE ratio is price to earning. Ratio, what else have we got? Obviously it doesn't, not obvious to you guys, but it doesn't offer a dividend because the money that they earn, they put back into R&D, investing in growing the company and stuff like that. Where's news? Is there news on here? No real news. Post earnings pressure. Oh, news. There we go. Let's see if there's any recent news as to why it fucking dropped off the face of the earth. Calculate the fair value of Netflix. All right, let's have a look at that. Fair value $641. So that's what they believe it should be with its share price $5.55 at the time of this article, which was yesterday. And where are we at now? 564. And what did I say? 680. So fair value should be just above. Interesting. 17 million content on originals. That gives us a leg up. So people have to go to Netflix to watch these things. I'm going to look to wrap it up, I reckon, but I'll go back to that and I'm going to buy it at 567 because I believe that it will go up to 680. So let's go to buy, and apparently I have 50 grand, so I'm going to buy a lot. Let's say 1,000. No, I can't because that's not enough money. Let's say 500 shares. No, too much. Damn, my maths is terrible. All right, let's go to 250 then. Okay. And let's see where we go. Close at profit. And I'm going to say $680. I'm going to make 42 grand profit if it gets to that 20%. I'll tell you what, my maths is pretty good there with the 20%. Close at loss. So this, guys, is for like risk management. I'm going to say if it drops to like 520, 8% maybe not 500. Drops 12% value, sell out. Cut your losses and go again. Get some of your money back. But yeah, I'm going to place the order there. And yeah, I guess that's it. I believe it's going to get to 680 in the next 3 to 4 months. Just going off that trend line, very, 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 very average TA. I'm doing this on the fly, learning how to use this platform, but I'll practice with it. And feel free to get back to me with some criticism or your thoughts on Netflix and whatnot. Yeah, cheers. Growth game for the week done, lad. Oh my God, I don't even know how to get back to full screen. This app, what is it? Zoom. All right, I'm going to do stop recording.